is Mrs. Sobieszczyk, and I wanted to share with you my nature journal as a video journal. Now, I've not spliced together videos before, but I'm going to give it a go in hopes that you guys are inspired and do the same. This is Telluride, Colorado. It's June 24th, 2020, and the smells of the trail and the forest are just remarkable. Lots of rain, lots of runoff. Inspired by the classic children's book Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen and the teddy bear hunts happening in communities across the country, Bright Futures is helping create a community-wide bear hunt for kiddos from April 19th through the 25th. Families will be walking around town hunting for bears. How many bears can you find? Now, that was several months ago, but there was already a bear sighting last night, so I suspect they're out here.